Hey now, say now, what's up, solar system? It's your girl, Righteous Soul, and today I'm actually just going to be showing you a couple of things that you might be good at, but I suck at. And I don't even want to go into the many more things beyond today, but we'll get to those eventually. Let's stick with a couple at a time, okay? All right, here goes the first one. All right, let's see what we do here. Looks like enough. I think it's enough. Let's see. Okay. So I did the hard part, and it's cutting this. Hopefully it's enough. Okay. And this target box is going to be what I use, this unsuspecting gift. Okay, so what do they do first? Do they go this way first? Or this way first? That's the bottom then. Okay, I'll make this the bottom. And do this. And do this. And then I want to tape, I guess. I want the old tape, sellotape tape. Little tape. Put 2 pieces of tape here. I think. Okay. Actually, not looking so bad. Okay. Okay. Another piece. just the sides are open. Now what do? I think I do this. You know, cover it down, bring out the creases, and then tape that part. Let's see. It down. Okay. And then I think I bend the corners. If I remember correctly, I bend the corners. And then I bring that up. Okay, hold on. Okay, one piece. Second piece here. Is this how y'all wrap, y'all? Okay, that's that part. Close up. Now, gotta do this part. And just fold the crease. And I'm gonna take down the crease part. Okay, and then I'm gonna fold this part in. Then I'm gonna fold that part in. Then I'm gonna bring this up, and I guess I probably need to fold it down like that, and then up so that it doesn't come over the top. Okay. What y'all think? Okay, now let me put my gift next to one of my sister's wrap gifts and see how it compares. Let's get this. Can't show whose gift this is, so I'm gonna cover up the name, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This is my gift, and compared to her gift, you see? Try not to show the name. Hers has a bow on it. Mine doesn't. How did I do? Her edges. Hers look good. All right, it's there. What do you think? What do y'all think? How did I do? I don't know. Let's see. Look guys, I really tried to learn how to fold a fitted sheet, but in my defense, I normally just take my fitted sheet or my sheets in general from the washer to the dryer, and then I put them on the bed. So I never really have to keep practicing that skill. So cut me some slack there. And then two, I don't give gifts like that where I would need to wrap them. So y'all forgive me, right? Or y'all can show me how to do it. And then maybe one day when I'm balling and giving gifts like that, I'll learn how. No, I won't. I'll probably pay someone then to do it for me. So never mind. But hey, I tried it for y'all, right? Y'all gotta cut me some slack, because at least I'm willing to try. All right, y'all comment in the comment section if you guys know how to fold a fitted sheet, or if you know how to wrap gifts. I picked a square box, so I figured that would be simple, more simple than wrapping a basketball or a football maybe. Though I did see something at one of my YMCA gift wrapping sessions where how to actually make a cute basketball wrap. So I might test that out. But thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank y'all for your patience with me as I'm learning these different things. Hopefully someone can start teaching me these things so that I won't have to do them so horribly in front of y'all. But again, thank y'all. Please subscribe. Make sure you comment in the comment section. Continue to push me on social media. I really appreciate it. Make sure you follow me on IG and Facebook. I'm at Writeous. Again, thank you. Thank you. I know it's my world. You know it's my world, but it really isn't a world without you in it, because y'all keep me going. Y'all keep me spinning. All right. Y'all already know the rest, right? But before I say the rest, though, no, I won't. I'll save that for another video. All right. Hey now, say now, and we're out.